Okay, here's the COVID-19 types of fogging application methods. We have 4 types: the ultra-low volume ULV, the airless, the thermal, and electrostatic. We're going to show you some quick videos, but first, to give you an idea, human hair reference 70 microns in size. Airless spray range can be adjusted from 400 micron to 60. ULV can be adjusted from 120 to 10. Electrostatic can go from 60 to 10, and the thermal fog is down to the 5 micron in size. So that gives you a reference of your droplet size. Here's a video of a ULV. You'll see the fogging methodology that's happening here. Very fine droplet. You can just barely see it against that window to show the coverage. You can see the adjustment nozzle there to give you an idea of the ULV treatment here. And the amount of time and the application that can go into it. Next is the airless fogging application. A little bit quicker, bigger droplet size. And again, coverage and dwell time we're going to talk about is the most important part for that application. Show it one more time to give everybody a better look. This is the airless fogging application. Next, here's the thermal fogging, which is not being used in the United States. You see it on the news. I wanted to bring it up. This is not a COVID application here. Currently, there's no EPA registered thermal fogging disinfectant. What we think from our industry contacts in Europe, Italy, and China is that they're mixing their own petroleum distillate and a hydrogen peroxide solution to do that. But dwell time is not going to be in their favor with thermal fog. That's why it's not really a good application for a disinfectant. We want to just show you the size difference in comparison. You see how fast these microns fill into a room. You can again see how fast that. And then last we have the electrostatic, which the technology electrostatic is using and charging the micron droplet, putting a charge to it so that it attaches to the material, uses less material and greater coverage. That's what the electrostatic advantage is in their application method. So in the end, everyone asked, and that's why I made this video, which fogging application is the best? And the answer is whichever fogging application method uses the disinfectant according to its label. The label is the law, and with the recommended dwell time being achieved to eliminate the virus. Dwell time is the most important that matches the label, because if you don't have the dwell time through the right application method, you're not going to achieve any good results. So how do you know you have the right dwell time, and how do you document it? It's a video that I made in order to incorporate a moisture meter, a protometer, that's a non-invasive to show. Here I'm testing the back of my hand to show that the meter is live 100% when you place it against direct human skin. And here we have plastic that's completely dry at the moment. So in the field, you can use this meter. You can take your application of any fogging method that you do use. You can document and do field testing with the meter to show the dwell time and the dry time being applicable to that product. So if you have a 5-minute, which some of them are, or you have a 10-minute dwell time, you can document, video record, photo record that you are achieving the proper dwell time in order to eliminate the virus that's on that surface. So this is just showing that after an evaporated time, you would wipe at that point, you would let it evaporate, but you would show on record that it is still wet and when it dries according to that time. So that's just a nice little point of reference and a good field documentation method for everyone to use. So I hope you found this helpful. Please reach out with any questions at all. Be safe and thank you.